I've been a plastic surgeon since 1996, and it's interesting how the idea of Chapin Aesthetics came about. It actually occurred on an evening when I was getting ready to go to a party with my wife, and I realized how many decisions that she had to make before we went out. I had to decide what time we had to be there, and she had to decide how her hair looked, what kind of makeup she was going to wear, what her accessories were going to be, her shoes. And I asked her, how does she figure this all out? And she said, well, I have a person I go to for my hair, and I have a person I go to for my clothing that helps me figure this out. I have a person I exercise with who helps me. And then it hit me that she had all these experts, and none of the experts were talking to each other. And so the idea was born that I would build a place that we would have experts in cosmetic surgery, skin care, hair, and makeup, where they could all communicate and all devise a master plan for somebody to achieve their beauty ideal. We offer a full menu of aesthetic services, from hair and makeup to microdermabrasion to laser removal of fine wrinkles and sunspots, all the way to body contouring procedures or facial procedures. One of the procedures that we're very excited about is Smartlipo. Smartlipo offers the advantage of providing body contouring for patients without having to go necessarily to the operating room. It can be performed under local anesthesia with a little bit of oral sedation in a few minutes in the office.
Smartlipo Triplex permanently melts away fat in just one treatment. Do you have love handles, bat wings, muffin tops, saddlebags, or jowls that don't respond to exercise and diet? They all improve dramatically using Smartlipo Triplex with minimal downtime and less pain than traditional liposuction alone. Because Smartlipo actually tightens tissue, you don't have to worry about dimpling and sagging afterward.
Smartlipo is a procedure that's best used for people who take care of themselves, who are near their ideal body weight, but who have areas of concern. A good example would be a mother who has been working on her tummy and it just doesn't seem to respond to diet or exercise. Or a gentleman who might have some excess tissue in the love handles. Those are usually the best candidates for the procedure.
Smartlipo Triplex is performed using a small cannula or tube about the size of the tip of a pen, which is inserted under the skin. The laser delivers energy directly to the fat cells through the cannula, causing them to rupture. The liquefied fat is then gently suctioned out. New collagen is produced, resulting in tissue tightening. The 3 laser wavelengths contained in the Smartlipo Triplex allow your physician to customize treatments based on the nature of your own concerns.
Well, when I started getting a little bit older, I noticed after working out and stuff, that I still had a little bit of extra on my thighs and through my belly. So I felt like I wanted to maybe just do a little bit of a tweak. It wasn't really like a diet or exercise thing. It was I feel like I just couldn't get rid of it.
Smartlipo Triplex is the most advanced laser-assisted lipolysis system available. This unique technology safely delivers the optimal blend of 3 laser wavelengths for better fat removal and enhanced tissue tightening. 5 reasons to ask for Smartlipo Triplex by name? It's proven. Smartlipo is the #1 choice of physicians around the world. It's less invasive. As a minimally invasive procedure, Smartlipo doesn't carry the risks and expense associated with more invasive surgery. It's safer. As the only laser-assisted lipolysis with intelligent delivery systems, Smartlipo is built with safety and consistency in mind. It's effective. Smartlipo is supported by 8 years of clinical studies. It's the most trusted. Smartlipo is the most widely accepted and clinically studied laser-assisted lipolysis system available today. With a 94% patient approval rate, it inspires total confidence. People often wonder, what are the advantages of Smartlipo Triplex over conventional liposuction procedures? First, both treatments remove fat, but unlike Smartlipo Triplex, conventional liposuction can leave behind loose skin. Second, because local anesthetic is typically used with Smartlipo Triplex treatments instead of a general anesthesia, you're awake during the procedure. That's a real plus, leading to a faster, easier recovery. Smartlipo Triplex can also create a high-definition, sculpted look by defining waistlines in women and abdominal muscles in men.
Well, I teach yoga, and I noticed when I put on my yoga clothes the first time after I'd had my procedure, and I looked a couple weeks later that I was much tighter, and I felt like I looked thinner through my abs and through my hips, and I felt like I looked when I was 35 and not my 46-year-old body today.
At Chapin Aesthetics, we can treat many skin conditions, anything from teen acne to rosacea to sun-damaged skin, broken capillaries in the face or legs, as well as tattoo removal. I'm the Director of Skincare at Chapin Aesthetics, and we offer an array of skincare services. We go from as little as teen acne treatments all the way up to laser treatments with some minimal downtime. You don't necessarily have to go under the knife for rejuvenation of your skin. We do anything from light chemical peels to medium depth peels that have about a week's worth of downtime, microdermabrasion, fibrodermabrasion, we have IPL, as well as Pixel, and we just acquired the Harmony Alma laser for leg veins and tattoo removal. So it's kind of one-stop shopping here, you can get it all done.